dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine, beta. Yes, students, today we are going to discuss remaining exercise of chapter number 4, Experiments with Truth, written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. As students, we have discussed earlier part A, Horse and Life Skills. Now students, let's move on to the part 4, that is values. Yes, beta. Every incident of Gandhiji's life taught him something. Given below are some incidents from his life. Read this incident and write the values that Gandhiji imbibed from them. Yes, beta, in this table, some incidents from Gandhiji's life are given. Now students, read these incidents very carefully, and then students, in the next column, write down the values that Gandhiji learned from these incidents. What Gandhiji had learned from these incidents, write on there. Now students, let's read the first incident. When Gandhiji saw the picture of Sharvina carrying his parents on pilgrimage, then students, Gandhiji learned the lesson of unconditional obedience. Or we can say, students, Gandhiji learned how to take care of parents. Or students, we can say Gandhiji learned devotion towards parents. Like this, students, write on here. Okay, now students, let's move on to the second part. He read the play Harishchandra. Yes, students, when Gandhiji read the play Harishchandra, then students, he learned to be truthful. He decided to follow the path of truth. Okay, beta. Then students, when his master convicted him of lying, when students, Dorabji Jimmy, his headmaster, convicted him of lying, then students, Gandhiji learned that a man of truth must be a man of care. Okay, we must be careful also, students. Now students, let's move on to the fourth incident. He observed the good handwriting of people in South Africa. Then students, Gandhiji learned that bad handwriting is a sign of imperfect education. What he learned, students? That bad handwriting is a sign of imperfect education. Now students, let's move on to the last one. Fifth incident, that is when Gandhiji stole gold from his brother's armlet, students, and confessed it to his father. Then students, what he learned? He learned the lesson of ahimsa. From this incident, students, he learned the lesson of ahimsa. Okay, students. Now students, let's begin with the writing skill part 5th. The chapter My Experiments with Truth is a collection of Gandhiji's real life incidents and experiences at school, which taught him one should or should not do at school. List at least 5 things now, students, that you think a student should do while at school, and also write at least 5 things that a student should not do at school. Yes, students, here in this table on the next page, you have to write down what a student should do while at school and what a student should not do at school. कि बेटा हम जब स्कूल कैंपस में हैं तो हमें क्या चीज़ करनी चाहिए और हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. So students, first of all, write down 5 points कि what we should do while at school. Yes, students, students should be careful at school. We should be careful now, students. We should be careful. Then students, we can say students should be punctual at school. Then our students should obey the rules and regulations. Our students should follow discipline. Our students should respect his teachers. Like this, students, you can frame sentences according to your wish. बेटा आप कोई और भी sentences लिख सकते हैं as you wish. According to your wish, students, you can write down what a student should do while at school. कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए बेटा जब हम school campus में हैं. And students, write down 5 points what a student should not do at school. Like students, a student should not break rules and regulations. Then beta, a student should not show disregard to his teachers. A student should not fight. A student should not waste his time at all. And at last, students, a student should not indulge in activities like fashion. In this way, students, we can write down different sentences here. Now, students, write down different sentences as per your wish. Okay, frame out different sentences and write down what we should do and what we should know to in our school campus. Now, students, let's move on to the next part. We become the books we read. How far is reading good books instrumental in building good character? Discuss. Yes, students, reading is a great source of knowledge. It is true, as reading a good book builds a character and teaches us good values. Students, good books also shape our personality and they leave permanent impression on our mind. And students, that's why it's rightly said that books are food for the mind and joy for the soul. So students, always keep a good book with you. Now students, let's move on to the writing skill part. Gandhiji's father experiences mixed feelings for his son on receiving the confession note. He pens down his feelings in the form of a diary entry. Now here, imagine yourself in his place. Okay, imagine yourself in his place means you are Gandhiji's father. And here students, write down your feelings. Okay, express your feelings and write down that in the form of a diary entry. Okay, and that should be in 80 to 100 words. Gandhiji's father experiences mixed feelings for his son on receiving the confession note. He pens down his feelings in the form of a diary entry. Now imagine yourself in his place and write a diary entry in about 80 to 100 words. Now students, first of all, we can write down date, day and time, as you all know. Now students, what we can write down in the content. Today is a memorable day of my life. As my son confessed his guilt. Confessed का meaning students, अपनी mistakes को accept कर लेना, मान लेना. Okay, today is a memorable day of my life as my son confessed his guilt through a letter. In his letter, he wrote that he had stolen a bit of gold out of his brother's omelette. He also promised me that he wouldn't steal in future. और उससे मुझसे क्या promise किया, कोई life में वो दोबारा कभी भी steal नहीं करेगा, चोरी नहीं करेगा. I was very surprised to read the letter. पहले जो मैं बहुत शौक था, बहुत सरप्राइज था इस लेटर को रीड करके, पर later on I felt प्राउड ऑफ माई सन. मुझे अपने बेटे के ऊपर बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ कि उसने अपनी गलती को एक्सेप्ट किया, जो हम में से बहुत सारे लोग इजीली नहीं कर पाते हैं. आई फेल्ट प्राउड ऑफ माई सन एज ही कन्फेस्ड द थेफ्ट which he had committed to clear the debt, and he also asked adequate punishment for it. I couldn't scold him. उसके इस बिहेवियर को देख के जो है मैं उसको डांट नहीं लगा पाया. I couldn't scold him. My tears were enough to bring a change in him. और मेरे tears ही काफ़ी हैं उसमें change लाने की. My tears were enough to bring a change in him. May my son get such strength throughout his life, because a clean confession combined with a promise never to commit the sin again is the purest type of repentance. Students, remember always that a clean confession combined with a promise never to commit a sin again is the purest type of repentance. Means students, हमें हमेशा इसी ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए कि हमसे बेटा कोई भी मिस्टेक अगर एक बार हो गई है तो बेटा we should not repeat that again. Okay, and in last students, we can write down here father. Okay, in this way students, you can write down diary entry. Okay, express your feelings and write down diary entry. Now students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. Now students, complete chapter number 4 in your English fair notebook, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. That's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.